everyone, it is me. I'm making my diecast. Today we are reviewing these 5 Hot Wheels cars. First up, let's review this Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR with purple, green and white stripe. With front, we have no detail, pan to side with gold wheels, rear with spoiler, driver's side and roof. The code says S41, that's the code. Let's review this. It's Toyota AE86 Corolla with turquoise, gray and red stripe. With front, we have no detail, pan to side with gray wheels, rear, driver's side and roof. The code says S41, that's the code. Let's review this drift rod with red, white and blue. With front, we have no detail, pan to side with blue wheels, rear, driver's side and roof. The code for S41, the code says S41, that's the code. Let's review this Dodge Charger drift with white, red and black. With front, we have no detail, pan to side with blue wheels, rear with spoiler, driver's side and roof. The code says S41, that's the code. Let's review this custom 2012 Ford Mustang with yellow, black and red. With front, we have no detail, pan to side with gold wheels, rear with spoiler, driver's side and roof. The code says S41, that's the code. Okay, thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next diecast video.